Hello, my friends. This is Seiichi Sugiyama of channel name I'm Still OK. まだまだできる。これが私の、チャンネルネームです。なぜ私がドローンを始めたか。Why I started drone. Let me explain from now.These are my life targets. 生涯現役、self-active and moving forward throughout your life. 世界の人々と友人となり、現在の平和を維持すること。Be friend with worldwide people. Sustain current peaceful world.若くして人間らしく、おいては美しく、pursue humanity while young, pursue beauty when got old. 人を幸せにすることで自分も幸せになる。Be happy with the happiness of others. In my company days,I was trying to develop a gas dispersion layer for fuel cell battery. One of the promising area for fuel cell battery was drone. In case of lithium-ion battery, the drone's flight time is maximum around 30 minutes. But when it comes to fuel cell battery drone, it is said to be over 240 minutes.I have retired from my company last year. I still wanted to work until 75, and I was looking for my new job. The issue for finding new job is my age. I wanted to work using English, wanted to work with foreign people.Use my experiences, chemistry, many friends in abroad, and I like to travel around. I thought drone, the new technology for me, new tools for finding new opportunities. Current situation and future prospection. I already took license for driving drone. I started to make motion pictures with drone. Got new personal computer and software for 4K. Uploading to YouTube, and now look for new job in drone makers or fuel cell battery makers. My future plan after my final retirement will be to be a good YouTuber, visiting friends in foreign countries with drone, finding life work and fun using drone. This is my dream. I wanted to make this channel to support those who sweat for life, give cheers especially to the elders like me. Please look up YouTube with the name Seiichi Sugiyama. Thank you very much.